Hello, I'm Ant Joblin from the Investing Channel and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. Today we're taking a look at the Texas-based NYSE-listed Trinity Industries, which sells and leases railroad products and rail car maintenance services in North America. According to Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, 25 institutional investors have researched this stock 29 times over the past week. And on the street, 4 analysts are covering the stock and have a 80% buy consensus between them. Looking at the charts, we can see that the stock has been consolidating at support, having pulled back from multi-year highs seen earlier this year in February. So what's driving the interest? Well, Trinity is expected to release its latest earnings data this week, and the market is expected to see quarterly earnings of $0.09 per share, representing a year-on-year gain of 350%. But revenues are expected to fall 16.5% to $425.3 million from this period last year. So it's a mixed picture, but perhaps some optimism lies with President Biden, or Amtrak Joe as he is also known. Funding for his infrastructure bill, which includes support for railways, is still incomplete but being worked on. So there are 2 catalysts in the pipeline for Trinity, and for that reason we think this is a stock worth keeping an eye on. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.